Hello everyone, welcome to SHRIHARI'S Creative Studio. In this video, we will see printing hello and getting its output. So let's start. For this, we will be needing our new text editor, which is Notepad++. And now I will open my saved page, which you have seen in my previous video, saving the programming page with extension in C language file. Now I will open the file. So you can see the page is blank. Now I will start coding. First we will write the header files, which is #include arrowhead brackets stdio.h. First header bracket, second header bracket conio.h, and now we will call function main function, which is void main, then round brackets. Round brackets are used to call the function, and now we will give curly brackets in which we will be writing the command for print code. So now we will start writing our print command. Everything in this programming is in small letters except few cases. So now we will type printf, which is the command used to print, and round brackets. Outside the round brackets to end the command, semicolon, and inside the round bracket to write the line which we want to print, we need to give double inverted. Then to separate two lines, that is, if you have written 3-4 lines and if you want to separate those lines, you need to give \n command for new line. If you will not give this command, the 3 lines which you have written will appear as a single line in the output and not 3 different lines. So this is important function. And now we will write hello. So any spelling mistake will not affect the code. It will directly print the same word which you have written in this double inverted commas. Now we will save it. One thing by which we come to know this file is saved, the blue icon which is appearing here on this file before the file name turns blue when the file is saved. So now I will give a space. You can see that the file color turned red. Now I will save it. You can see that the file color again turned blue. This shows that the file is saved. And now we will go to start and type cmd, which is command prompt. Here you need to be very careful because it is a bit confusing. We need to write the location of the file in which this print file is saved. So my C language file is saved on desktop, so I will first write cd, everything here is small, cd space desktop, enter. So you need to be specific about the spelling of the file in which you have saved the programming file, exe file. So now it has accepted the path. Now we will type the file name cd C language. C language is the file name and cd is the command to search that file on desktop. So now this command prompt will search inside the C language file for this program file. So to get the output, we will first type gcc, as gcc is compiler used for C language, and then file name of the file in which we were programming, which is hello2.c. If you will not give this extension, it will again show an error, space -o as output, and without giving space we need to type hello. The output of this file, which is hello2.c, is saved in hello in this word. Now we will enter. When this line appears on the command prompt page, you need to type this word, which is typed after -o. So now we will type it. In this our output is saved, so when we will enter it, it will give the output, which is hello world. Now if I will change this hello, which is after which is after this -o output word. If I will give ABC, then typing the hello won't work. We need to type here now ABC, because the output of this hello2.c is now saved in ABC. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.